Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm Kok Kee from Tech, and this is the unboxing of the Custom Street by Beyerdynamic. So you have a list of specs right here, and of course we do have a review coming up real soon, link down in the description below. And this is the list of accessories that you'll be getting. You do get 16 design covers, and again you can change those plates at the side of your ear cups. So it's good that they include it right away, unlike the usual custom one that we reviewed a really long time ago. I think that one you have to order it from another country, which is expensive. And just like the custom one, here you have the base adjust slider. So at the front here you got a flap which you can open and have a brief look at what the Custom Street actually offers. So right here you can even daisy chain the amount of headphones that you want to wear. So you can attach the Custom Street to your smartphone, and then I'm gonna show you later that the headphone itself, the Custom Street itself, you have two audio jacks. So one is on the left side and one is on the right side. You can attach whichever you want, but you can connect one to another, so you have two headphone outputs together. So opening the box, you still have the iconic Enjoy right here by Beyerdynamic. I really like that touch to the box itself. And opening up, you can see the manual right at the top right here. I'm not gonna touch it, of course. So opening up right here, you can just slot your finger in and pull the whole thing out. Right off the bat, you can see that there is the hard case, the hard carrying case that is included with the Custom Street. So it is really tough actually, and really sturdy in terms of its material, and it is in a slightly kind of like your sunglasses case type of shape right there, and the zip is really smooth. I really like it. So opening up, you can see all the accessories are inside. The audio jack is there, the headphone itself is there, and you have some other accessories like the like I said before, the 16 cover designs, and also the Allen's key to open up the screws to access those plates on your ear cups. And right here again, you can see the return of that bass slider. You can change from 3 modes, which is what Beyerdynamic is calling as analytical, vibrant bass, and also heavy bass. The headphone itself, you can fold and store it on the case, in the case itself, but I'm just gonna show you right here that this Custom Street is actually a smaller size than its elder brother, the Custom One. So here are the 16 plates itself. It's actually just 8 of them, but you do have 2 sides on each plate, so you can swap back and forth, front and back. So you can even switch 2 different plates on 2 different ear cups that you have here. So opening these keys screws, actually they're quite simple. just use the included Allen key, unscrew it, pop it all off, and you have total access to the whole plate itself. So right here is the included, I should say 17th design. This is it just wrote there custom street. Pretty basic, but yes, you can change it, or you can just flip it to the back to have that pure matte silver kind of look. So opening the bag right here, I'm just gonna very briefly go through all the 16 designs. So I hope you like this unboxing video of the Custom Street. If you do find this very useful or informative at all, do give us a like and hit us up on Facebook or Twitter. And thanks for watching, everyone.